Hello, welcome to Marvelous Iran channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Vank Cathedral in Isfahan. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. Every single Friday and Tuesday, I will show you a new tourist attraction in Iran. Vank Cathedral, also known as Amena-Perik, is a church located in Julfa district of Isfahan. This church is one of the historical Armenian churches and was constructed at the time of Shah Abbas II. Vank means congregational cathedral in Armenian language. Armenians immigrated to Isfahan after the Great Migration in 1605 upon the order of Shah Abbas II. As they arrived, they began to build a place to live, and due to their religious beliefs, building churches was the first step. Vank Cathedral is considered as the largest and most beautiful church in Julfa. All interior parts of the building are covered with oil paintings and golden decorations displaying images of Christ's life, influenced by Italian paintings. The belfry, which is located across from the main entrance, dates back to Shah Sultan Hussein Safavi. The walls of praying room are covered with delicate multicolored tiles. In the upper parts of the wall, beautiful pictures inspired by the Holy Book are painted. There are many pictures all around the dome depicting the story of creating Adam and Eve. The altar depicts many images such as an image of Christ as well. The exterior design of the dome is simple, without tile ornament, and it's just brickwork. On a corner of the courtyard, there is a huge elegant bell situated on 4 stone columns, while on another corner and in front of the bell tower, there is a long column made in memorial of 1.5 million Armenians who were massacred in 1915. The bell tower consists of 3 floors and it is located above the entrance. On the second floor of the tower, there is a massive watch weighing over 300 kilograms. The Vank Cathedral has various sections, such as a museum and a library.